Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? It's a great Grandos day. Feels like a bit since I filmed. Had some things in my mind, but I was doing so many other things. It was kind of like, you know, I feel like a lot of times every day it feels like it's stacked. Though it's like tons of stuff, like a lot of stuff that still got to get done, that still be done. Or not. Some days I don't. Well, I don't think like yesterday I didn't really eat. I think I just had like leftover like a little bit, a few bites or something. And here it is. I am cooking now. But it's cool because we're used to fasting, but it's kind of like I be doing stuff, and I was really focused. I was really focused yesterday. I was more focused than usual, than before, and I still had stuff I gotta do. Still got stuff I gotta do now. But I'm over here thinking, if you guys hear it in the background, that's me cooking, like I said. This C virus, this fear virus, it's a gift. It's a gift. It honestly is a gift, man. This is a gift, to see is a physical test of your intelligence. And you can see those around it before they even open their mouths. You know what? It is. Because look right here. Man, oh man. If you think to yourself, why do I need to be 6 feet away if I'm wearing a mask? If you're wearing a mask, why do you need to be 6 feet away? And if they wanted you to be 6 feet away and they still got the stores open, these buildings would have to get funded in order to get reconstructed physically in order to fit people in a grocery store while they're all 6 feet away. Why, if it's 6 feet away, why isn't it 6 feet away with your children? You can't be 6 feet away with your children, especially you got an infant. Who's gonna push the cart? So you're not 6 feet away from your child, then you're putting yourself at risk. So all this stuff seems to be quite a contradiction. People worried about they don't got a mask or not. If you got a mask, why does it matter if someone else doesn't? What's there? What's wrong? I don't get it. I really don't. What is being missed? What is being missed, man? This right here is going to be a gift, though, because you get to see it. Because so many people said they didn't trust the government. They don't trust the lies that they put out. They don't trust them in this. But yeah, when they snapped their fingers at them like a freaking dog and said, hey, put that mask on. Put that muzzle over their mouth. They sure did. People are willing, in order to deprive the amount of oxygen that they get, in order to comply with the government. I've seen people wheezing. I see people tired. I see people about to pass out. And I see it in their eyes. I even know a brother who got a reported passed out at the job while he told him that he couldn't wear a mask because he has a medical exemption. But hybrids were still harassing him. So he passed out. That's what it says on the paper. Regardless. And you have people, this is another further attack on your mind and your free thinking, where people are telling you that they cannot breathe. They cannot breathe with these masks on. They can barely breathe with these masks on. And yet they're bringing out studies and in order to combat you know in your own body that if somebody covers up your nasal passage and your mouth, it's going to alter your breathing. So you're not going to be able to breathe. But they got studies and fake evidence that shows that, oh, you can breathe. Oh, you can actually breathe. How they going to do that when you already confirm it yourself? Your nose is being blocked and your mouth is being blocked. You can't even get out the words you say at the regular volume you do. So how does one comprehend that? How does one comprehend it and go along with it? I mean, and the people who's not wearing a mask, you're acting like something wrong with them. You know, I told this story before on our channel. We're in the store. It was actually at Target. I was there getting some water. Case of water, and I got the case of water, and I was going to the aisles, or I was going to the back, and the back it gets more narrow. So I had my cart, and I was trying to get by. It was by the fridge section. And I was at the fridge section. There was a cart there, and there's a cart that was there blocking the way, and I saw the person that was closest to it was about in the fridge. And I said, pardon me. I said, pardon me, could you move your cart, please? I said, pardon me, sister, could you move your cart? And then she looked and turned around, and she said, she had a scar all on her face, like right here, like, but she wasn't no Muslim. And she said, and she's like, I see it in her eyes, but and then she grabbed a cart, and then she moseyed and like power walked the hell away from me into another aisle. I'm just like, what the frick? These scary people. Like, people that scary, people that ridiculous. And I'm like, and it really, this is right here, and it's right there is a gift. It's like, okay, we know who the frick we got to get the frick away from. We know who the frick we got to get the frick away from. We know right now from physically who the critical thinkers are, who the actual free thinkers, who are the ones that listen objectively and aren't just accepting what is being spewed and regurgitated out of. Because a lot of people in countries, they think that people who watch television are idiots. Television programming, television. How you going to tell me what I saw? Programming, you're being programmed. They go along with the media, their media, in order to have things misconstrued so you can get lost with the message. So you can get their message. They want you to be scared. They want you to be fearful because crisis sells. People are in fear of pandemonium. They running to get toilet paper, trying to clear the stores of that. Running to get starchy food. And the starchy food isn't helping because we saw the bread was all gone. I said, wow. But you know what we did see when we went to the grocery? All the bread and all the other foods was there. We went to a healthier grocery section. Grocery store, sorry, not section, store. And guess what? You know what was there left? That was there left. The people were getting the produce, the fruits and vegetables, the stuff that people need. And stuff like this right here. Chickpeas, quinoa, sweet yellow onion, and white onion. You hear me? Alkaline, you hear me? The stuff that people need that's going to actually heal you and fight off a virus. Fight off a disease. Going to make it so they can't even step near you. People not getting that. We got all this information. We putting this information out on our channel, on our website, healingthroughinspiration.com. It's free. We put it out there for free. We give this to you for free. And we show you recipes. We showing you how to do this. You hear me? Because we want y'all to get better. And look, and YouTube's over here taking our videos down. Putting age restrictions on how to grow an alkaline garden for beginners. I swear to gosh. We've seen it on our Instagram on Healing Through Inspiration. Go ahead and follow us if you haven't already. Post it on the regular. Y'all see that? They put age restrictions on the part 1 and part 2. How you gonna get a age restriction on a garden video? We try not to swear in our personal life, and we don't even do that in our videos. And at the very least, it would be for a literal context. But there are tons of videos on YouTube that violate their policy, and even people they promote are actual criminals and rapists. Cardi B, she admitted it. She used to have men raped. That Ratina. Yeah. That Ratina bitch. What's up? But yet they still promote her. I had to get YouTube again and stop showing that ad because it's inappropriate. We marked that as inappropriate. We don't want to see that. It's almost as if it's a war against the truth, against the free thinking, because all we could do is just pose questions in order to get people to think. But it's like they challenge you to be able to think for yourself. How dare you? Ask those people with those masks on and say, if your mask works, why does you need to be 6 feet? And if you're 6 feet, why do you need to wear a mask? They look stumped. Never really answered. And guess what? Y'all got you wearing these masks. You know what? All viruses need a host. Ain't no freaking airborne virus. I said it. It needs a host. So how the frick is it in the air? How the frick are these people that's homeless? How are they not? How are they not catching it? But they got you quarantined and locked down. What sense does that make? You can't see anyone. You can't be anyone. Y'all can't handshake. Y'all can't hug. This is a multiple attacks to stop the love, stop the mind. And do know there's a reset in place. There is a reset in place, you hear me? A very well reset. Things will be reset. Financially, it is a system. It was designed that way. Do know this is put into place. This is strategic. But do know there are pros and benefits. Pros to this. Right now, you could be in a lab studying, focusing, working on a craft. You don't have a skill, you can get one right now. You could build one up. That's why I can say we got a course that we even tried ourselves. We paid for ourselves. It was the best course we ever paid. And we paid one coach alone thousands of dollars. And this right here, we paid only a fraction of that. That's slim hair of that. You hear me? But we got that link for you guys in the description box. You guys know we got one-on-one consultations for those who want to make a change in your life. You guys can do that. DM us on Instagram at Healing Through Inspiration. Or you can just send us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration with the subject consultation. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Daily uploads. We got a one-of-a-kind apparel, hats, caps, t-shirts, polos, socks, hoodies, a bunch of stuff, bunch of great apparel. And, like I said, one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. You even seen us craft this one-of-a-kind artwork. And we even posted on our YouTube channel. You can check the art playlist as well. But, yeah, leave your feedback on this one, y'all. Let's see. And share this with those who really need it. Because, yeah, this is type of stuff that needs to be out there. YouTube isn't going to promote stuff like this. Instagram isn't. You know, so hey, we gotta be the ones. So if you really support us, we'd appreciate if you guys share this, your feedback, and show love and support. But y'all have a great one. Peace, love, and light.